यहाँ के सेंट पीटर्स कॉलेज के लिए आए हैं। मुझसे आप इंडियन टीम के बारे में मत पूछिए, यहाँ के बारे में आप पूछेंगे तो मैं ज़रूर आपको
सर क्रिकेट सरकार की जो खेल की नीति है उसके बारे में बात करते हैं।
अच्छा, आप ये तो बता सकते हैं बच्चों को इंस्पायर कर सकते हैं, मोटिवेट
उसी के लिए आए हैं।
हाँ, तो आप अभी जो नई पीढ़ी तैयार हुई है इसके बारे में आप क्या सोचते हैं और क्या महसूस करते हैं?
देखिए सर, अगर मैं एक चीज़ कह सकता हूँ कि जो नई पीढ़ी के पास जो हुनर और जो एक्सपोजर है, आप सब मानेंगे कि मैं आपसे थोड़ा जवान हूँ, आप सोचेंगे कि मैं आपसे ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर मुझे मिला या आपसे ज़्यादा थोड़ा स्मार्ट था। आपके जो पूर्वज होंगे या बड़े होंगे वो कहेंगे कि आप लोग ज़्यादा। तो अभी आप नई पीढ़ी को अगर देखेंगे तो दे आर रियली स्किल्ड, दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट। मतलब आप बच्चे को भी एक कंप्यूटर हैंडल करना आता है, न्यूबॉर्न 2 साल के 3 साल के, जो हम लोगों को नहीं आता। सो दे आर वेरी टैलेंटेड, एक्सेप्शनली स्मार्ट। पर एक चीज़ जो मुझे लगता है वो जो कमी है कि जो यंग लड़के हैं, सिंस उनको बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत जल्द मिल जाता है ज़िंदगी में, जब थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होता है ज़िंदगी तो उतना आसानी से नहीं ले पाते। जो पुराने लोग जो होते थे या जो एक मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ की जो बात कर रहे हैं ना, वो मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा बिकॉज ऑफ सम एवरीथिंग बीइंग गिवन टू देम सो अर्ली, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा वो उसमें थोड़ी कमी है। तो वहाँ पे जो एक्सपीरियंस लोग हैं, जो जिन्होंने ज़िंदगी देखी है, या आप कह सकते हैं कि आपकी एज से लेके मेरे एज तक जो लोग हैं, वो लोग हेल्प कर सकते हैं कि जो बच्चों को इन ट्राइंग टू मेंटली जो मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ की जो मैं बात कर रहा हूँ वो लेना बहुत है। क्योंकि ज़िंदगी में हमेशा तो ऊपर वाला कर्व दिखता नहीं है, कर्व ऊपर नीचे जाता है, तो नीचे वाले कर्व में अपने आप को कैसे आप हैंडल करते हो वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
एक कहावत थी, पढ़ोगे लिखोगे तो बनोगे महान और खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे तेज। तो अब वो कहावत बिल्कुल बदल चुकी है, क्योंकि खेल भी सॉलिड कैरियर में तब्दील हो चुका है। जितना पैसा खिलौना आज की तारीख में है शायद पहले नहीं था। पिछली अगर पीढ़ी के क्रिकेटरों की बात करें और जो भारत एक नए दौर में खड़ा हो रहा है पूरी दुनिया के सामने, IT के क्षेत्र में हो, चाहे फैशन के क्षेत्र में हो, अलग अलग फील्ड में खेल में थोड़ा सा अपने आप को जो कमजोरी हम महसूस कर रहे हैं, चाहे चाइना की कंपेरिजन में देखें, चाहे किसी दुनिया के देश को कंपेरिजन में, तो आपने एक फर्श से अर्श तक का जो सफ़र तय किया उसमें कुछ महसूस भी किया होगा। कहाँ कहीं कमी है एकेडमिक सिस्टम में, या कहाँ ऐसा है कि हमारे देश के बच्चे अब आगे
हमारे देश में आप सिंपल सी चीज़, अगर आप फ्लाइट से उतरते हैं तो आपको कितने बार तक कितने स्टेडियम नज़र आते हैं? ज़्यादातर बिल्डिंगें नज़र आती हैं।
बिल्कुल।
तो जब आप बाकी देशों में जब आप उतरते हैं तो आपको कितने सारे पार्क्स और चीज़ें दिखती हैं जहाँ पे लोकल लोग भी जाके भाग सकते हैं, कूद सकते हैं, खेल सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले तो एक वातावरण क्रिएट करने वाली बात है, एक माहौल क्रिएट करने।
कैंपेन अगर कोई कर दिया जाए,
सॉरी क्या कह रहे हैं?
कैंपेन
कैंपेन की बात करें, देखिए उसके लिए तो फिर बहुत लोगों को मिलना जुलना पड़ेगा। हर जगह तो हम मॉल और अपार्टमेंट खड़ा करना चाहते हैं, तो फिर बहुत मुश्किल, बच्चे खेलेंगे कहाँ पे? अगर आप अपार्टमेंट्स भी क्रिएट कर लीजिए तो वहाँ जितने बच्चे हैं वो जाके कहीं तो खेलेंगे। हम सिर्फ पीपल की हम मोटिवेट कर जी हाँ, जो बाकी बच्चे कुछ हैं, फिर स्कूल्स की बात आती है। बीच में एक कैंपेन चला था मार्क्स फॉर स्पोर्ट्स, एंड मार्क्स फॉर स्पोर्ट्स में आपने क्रिकेटर्स की बात की या स्पोर्ट्समैन की बात की। हर स्पोर्ट में एक पीरियड बहुत छोटा है, जिस उम्र में कॉर्पोरेट ऊपर जा रहे होते हैं उस समय में स्पोर्ट्समैन का करियर खत्म हो चुका है। तो एज के हिसाब से नहीं है कि आप 35 के हो गए तो आपको रिटायर होना है, 35 में तो उनकी एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ती है। तो इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट सर्कल ऑल टुगेदर फॉर स्पोर्ट्स पीपल। सो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग्स इज दैट और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इंडिया में और हर देश का एक स्पोर्ट होता है जिसके प्रति लोगों को चाह है, लोगों को अच्छा लगता है कि स्पोर्ट को फॉलो करना है। इंग्लैंड में फुटबॉल है, ब्राज़ील में फुटबॉल है, हमारे देश में क्रिकेट है। अब हमारे देश में गोल्फ कितनी अच्छी तरीके से ऊपर आ रहा है, पर गोल्फर्स को आने के लिए एक तो महंगा स्पोर्ट है और आपको पब्लिक कोर्सेज की ज़रूरत है। क्रिकेट एक ऐसा गेम है जहाँ पे आप छोटे से गली में भी आप खेल लेते हैं, छोटी सी जगह में भी खेल लेते हैं, आप कुछ अलग पहलू से खेलते हैं, पर बाकी स्पोर्ट्स के लिए जगह चाहिए। हॉकी आप रोड पे नहीं खेल सकते, फुटबॉल आप किसी भी रोड पे खेल सकते हैं, गोल्फ आप रोड पे नहीं खेल सकते।
सर क्रिकेट को आप नेशनल स्पोर्ट का दर्जा देंगे?
भाई साहब मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, आप अगर काटेंगे तो फिर आप अपना सवाल बाद में करेंगे। तो इट्स यू नीड टू क्रिएट दैट एनवायरनमेंट फॉर एनी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। एंड सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जो लोकप्रियता है या जिस हिसाब से क्रिकेट को आप बढ़ावा देते हैं बाकी स्पोर्ट्स को नहीं मिलता। तो इट्स नॉट जस्ट क्रिकेट अलोन, इट्स अदर स्पोर्ट्स एज वेल वी नीड टू फूड खाता हूँ, की का गाना गाता हूँ।
आपको लगता है कि और देश को प्रमोट करने में कोई जरूरत नहीं है?
बिल्कुल है। सबसे पहले तो जैसे मैंने कहा आपको यू हैव टू क्रिएट दैट एनवायरनमेंट। पब्लिक कोर्सेज नहीं होंगे तो गाँव कहाँ से वही तो बोला मैंने कहा, लोकप्रियता किसकी तरफ है? हर देश का एक लोकप्रियता, हमारे देश में क्रिकेट की तरफ, क्रिकेट की तरफ। जो कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं, कॉर्पोरेट्स कौन सा स्पोर्ट खेलते हैं? आप सोचिए, गोल्फ खेलते हैं और स्पॉन्सर किसको करते हैं? स्पॉन्सर किसको करते हैं? क्रिकेट को करते हैं। गोल्फ में
इस तरीके से बढ़ावा मिल रहा है, कई अन्य खेलों की शुरू हो गई है, उससे लगता है कि आपको अन्य खेलों
बिल्कुल आपने चाइना की बात आई। चाइना जिम्नास्टिक्स क्यों है इतना अच्छा? क्योंकि बचपन से ही जो है बच्चों को ले जाते हैं, कहते हैं ये बच्चा हमारा हुआ, और उसको उस हिसाब से फिर प्रोत्साहन मिलता है, ट्रेनिंग मिलती है, हर चीज़ मिलता है। हमारे देश में अगर आप मैं साउथ इंडियन फैमिली से, मेरी माँ बहुत बिल्कुल अगेंस्ट थी कि मैं क्रिकेट क्यों खेल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मैं पढ़ाई में चल रहा हूँ। पेरेंट्स का भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। अगर पेरेंट्स आपको कुछ नहीं करेंगे क्रिकेट या कोई भी स्पोर्ट खेलने में, ये नहीं कि बच्चा नालायक है, पढ़ाई में अच्छा नहीं इसलिए स्पोर्ट्स में जा रहा है। दोनों को बड़ा साथ में चलना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अगर आपका क्रिकेट खत्म हो गया या स्पोर्ट खत्म हो गया, हर कोई जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन निकलता है या बनने चलता है वो बनता नहीं है। अगर आपको एक सचिन तेंदुलकर दिख रहा है तो कितने सारे
एक आदमी बढ़ा जल्दी है।
Benny Vijay Viseri, English, Vikanka. Captains Saman Kumar and Praful Gai. Vice Captains Abhishek Jain, Anuda Sharma. Massive round of applause as the cavalcade passes.
Vice Past coming towards the greenhouse. That's the house led by Dr. Manish Magar and Warren Ranga. The color green, Barasingh as the emblem. Athletics, dynamics and legislation as the motto. Amrit Chaturvedi and Yuvraj Singh are the captains. We see the greenhouse running hands to our chief guest, Mr. Murali Ghattan, and our guest of honor, Major General P.K. Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, as he passes the entrance to St. Francis House.
As he passes out, the color is blue, emblem is the tiger, and like the tiger, the motto is higher, stronger and faster. Housemaster Mr. Nandukar, Housemistress Mrs. Geetika Kanagal, Actors, Background and Industrial Service, Vice Captains, Vishal Chani and Arvind Singh. College is an eagerly awaited event in the college calendar, and we are very proud that this year it is being inaugurated by one of the greats in the cricketing world, Mr. Murali Ghattan.
Our guest of honor and chief guest come to the VIP stand. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's have with us the guest of honor, Major General P.K. Singh. He is a stalwart of our army forces and an elder of our institution. Present with us today, it's a great honor to have him. As an investment of Dr. Arthur D'Souza, the Archbishop of Agra, I extend a warm welcome to him. I also extend a warm welcome to Brigadier Roy, who's
The Reverend Fathers and Sisters for gracing this occasion. We are also delighted to have it amidst us a large number of parents, many of them ex-students of the college, who have taken time from the busy schedules to see their wards fulfill their dreams and makes the sports day a memorable occasion.
I also extend a warm welcome to all the members of the media on the occasion of the 169th Annual Athletic Meet at St. Peter's College. After meeting the PTAs, our chief guest and guest of honor, and to the VIP gallery, I request everybody to stand up and give them a good round of applause. Let's give them a good round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. You have been welcome. Guys, goes the most Reverend Dr. Albert D'Souza, the Archbishop of Agra and the President of the
established. O God, the author of life and giver of all good gifts, you have created us to strive for the best. Thank you, Lord, for this great day of our 169th Annual Athletic Meet. Shower your blessing upon all the participants so that they may be strengthened to pursue excellence during this event. Protect them from all sorts of injuries and harms. We pray for the safety of all the athletes. Enable them to showcase their talents and skills with the perfect discipline and genuine team spirit. Bless all those who are gathered over here and we glorify you during this sports event. We make our prayer in his holy name. Amen.
Thank you.
Mr. Murali Karthik, international cricketer and chief guest. Major General P.K. Singh, BSM, guest of honor, esteemed guests, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Sports and games are an integral part of our life. Education includes not only studies, but also sports activities. Though we believe that studies is the foundation of education, sports and other co-curricular activities have physical, mental, emotional and physical impact on the students. They make them mentally and physically fit. It gives me great delight to welcome you all to this annual athletic meet and PT display. It is an opportunity given to the students to showcase their talents, which they will channelize for the betterment of the society. We have always tried our best to inculcate in our students a strong desire for sports and games, along with discipline and values. We have been making sincere efforts to develop their talents, and this day speaks volumes for it. First and foremost, I welcome His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Albert D'Souza, Archbishop of Agra and President of the College, to this 169th Annual Athletic Meet and PT display. I take this opportunity to extend a warm and cordial welcome to Mr. Murali Karthik, international cricketer and our chief guest for today's program. We feel honored and privileged because he has accepted our invitation to be the chief guest. Our guest of honor, Major General P.K. Singh, BSM, is an alumnus and multifaceted personality with indomitable courage and interest in sports and games. His presence over here has definitely added to the significance of sports and games, and is a source of motivation and inspiration for our students. I take this opportunity to welcome all the invited guests, teachers, parents and students who have come to witness these sports games. I hope all of you will encourage our boys and at the same time enjoy the program. A hearty welcome once again to all of you. Thank you.
He was our chief guest, Mr. Murali Karthik, former cricketer in the Indian national team. Mr. Murali Karthik, born on September 11, 1976, is an Indian cricketer who from time to time represented the Indian national cricket team from 2000 to 2007. He is a specialist slow left-arm orthodox bowler, known for his loopy trajectory and ability to spin and bounce the ball. He is also a left-handed batsman. Mr. Karthik's cricketing career started early when he found a place in the under-18 team in Delhi junior system, and then in the Railways under-19 team. He made his first-class cricket debut in 1996-97. After a productive season in domestic cricket in the Ranji Trophy, Irani Trophy, Challengers Trophy, Duleep Trophy, and etc., he made his first test debut in early 2000 in a home series against South Africa. He then played in one test each against Bangladesh and Zimbabwe in India. His first overseas appearance for India came in 2003-2004 tour of Australia, when he played in the final test at the Sydney Cricket Ground. Mr. Karthik played the last of his 8 test matches against South Africa in Kanpur. Mr. Karthik's debut in one-day internationals was against Zimbabwe in 2001-2002. Though he did not take a wicket, but India won by 5 wickets. He also played 4 consecutive ODIs against the West Indies and played in 10 of the 12 ODIs that India hosted in late 2005 against Sri Lanka and South Africa. In 2005, Mr. Karthik was recalled to the ODI team to play 4 matches against Australia. In the last match, Karthik took a career best of 6 wickets in 10 overs, conceding only 27 runs at Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai to bowl Australia out for 193 only. He also scored an unbeaten 21 from 34 balls in a 52-run stand with Zaheer Khan, guiding India to a 2-wicket victory. He was rightly declared the man of the match for his excellent performance. Mr. Karthik then made his T20 international debut, giving away only 27 runs in 4 overs in an Indian win against Australia. Mr. Murli Karthik also played county cricket and represented Lancashire, Middlesex, Somerset and Surrey. Mr. Karthik was taken by Kolkata Knight Riders in the inaugural 2008 Indian Premier League. In the 2009 IPL season, Mr. Karthik was one of the most economical bowlers. He also played for Royal Challengers Bangalore in the IPL. We, the St. Peter's family, express our gratitude to Mr. Karthik for accepting our invitation to grace our 169th annual Sports Day. We pray that the God's Almighty showers His blessing abundantly on him and his family. May I request Sajid Anjigal, Prime Minister of the Student Parliament of St. Peter's, to present a bouquet to our chief guest, Mr. Murli Karthik.
I now invite Simar.
Honor and proud privilege to introduce to you this officer, doctor and a gentleman. Major General P.K. Singh has had a very distinguished career in the Indian Army, spanning 35 years as a medical professional, working over the years as doctor, academician and administrator, excelling in every role that he has played. General P.K. Singh joined St. Peter's College in 1969 with his 2 brothers, Anup and Pawan. All the 3 brothers were outstanding sportsmen, with General P.K. Singh excelling in hockey, cricket, boxing and swimming, and representing the school as a student of class 9. He completely dominated both the academic and sports arena, and for his excellent contribution was awarded the prestigious Archbishop Gold Medal for the best outgoing student. We are sure, sir, this must be a day of great nostalgia for you as you recall those days when you walked, ran, studied and played in the corridors and classrooms of this ancient and magnificent institution. After doing his pre-medical from DAV College, Chandigarh, he joined the Armed Forces Medical College, where he did his post-graduation in the field of community medicine. He has excelled in his chosen field of public health and has a number of national and international publications to his credit. During his distinguished career as a doctor soldier in the Indian Army, he has been awarded the Vishesh Seva Medal for his outstanding contribution while serving in the eastern part of our country. Besides this, he has been twice awarded the Chief of Army Staff Commendation and Army Commander's Commendation thrice. He has represented the Indian Army in Somalia and Bhutan and has also been the faculty at the prestigious Armed Forces Medical College, Pune. Presently, he holds the appointment of Additional Director General of Medical Services at the headquarters of Indian Army and head of the Department of Community Medicine at the Army College of Medical Science, Delhi, Kent. Throughout his career, he has been a motivational and a guiding light for all his colleagues, especially fellow Petarians in the Army. His wife, Major General Rakhi Singh, is also a senior doctor in the Indian Army. excelling in the field of hospital administration. His son and daughter-in-law are also in the army, following the footsteps of their illustrious parents. Thus, the whole family is dedicated to serving the nation. Sir, you are indeed an inspiration for all of us. We salute you, sir. May I request Atisha Jain, Cultural Captain.
I now call upon Shiva Tiwari.
Church grew and he developed a natural inclination to become a missionary like his elder brothers who were already on the path of priesthood. He felt deeply the calling from the Lord. In 1965, Albert joined St. Paul's Minor Seminary at Dilkush, Lucknow to become a priest for the Diocese of Lucknow. To pursue his studies further in philosophy and theology, he was sent to St. Joseph's Regional Seminary at Allahabad from 1968 to 75. He was chosen as the students' leader both while in philosophy section and theology section. His pastoral zeal and virtue were noted even during his student days. He was ordained priest at St. Joseph's Cathedral, Lucknow on 8 December 1974. Because of his spiritual and intellectual excellence, he was sent to Rome from 1984 to 88 to do doctoral studies at the Pontifical Università San Tommaso in Genica and obtained the doctorate in spiritual theology. He became professor of theology and spiritual director from 1989 to 92. His popularity in church circles began to grow and he was admired for his virtue and religious life, little aware of what great things were in the offing for him. When the See of Lucknow fell vacant, His Holiness Pope John Paul II elected Father Albert as successor to the See of Lucknow on November 26, 1992. His episcopal consecration took place on 7 February 1993 and he was installed as the 4th Bishop of Lucknow. He was installed as the 10th Bishop of Agra on 11 April 2007. At present, he is the Secretary General of Catholic Bishops' Conference of India and member of the Federation of Asian Bishops' Conference. He is also the President of the governing body of St. Peter's College. We welcome you, sir, to St. Peter's College. I request
We also welcome amongst us Mr. Indrajit Arya, Mayor of Agra. May I request Simranjit Singh to present a book. District President of Samajwadi Party, may I request Mr. Manu Agarwal to present a bouquet to him. I also request Arthur Sisodia to present a big bouquet to Brigadier Roy. Senior Casey Thomas, Prelate of Honor. The Renouveau dance begins with a prayer. Everything belongs to that almighty supreme power. The seas, the sky, the earth.
तारों को तूने सजाया, वरदान
and comes second of 2014. He won the third prize in the 5 kilometers walk in KSIC state and won the first prize at the Zone Captain in St. Peter's Archbishop tournament. He led his team to victory in the house football tournament also. This time he won many events in the sports field, the 5 kilometer walk, second position in long jump, triple jump, and 800 meters. He is also a member of the college parliament. His dream is to join the army forces.
And now he is joined by Prashant Singh, the winner of the middle section cross country. He was a former champion of every cross country race. He was among the top 5 last year in the cross country race, eventually winning this time. He has won the second prize in Inter-House 800 meters and will be competing for 400 and 200 meters races today. He has also secured the third prize in an inter-school competition held at Agro College. He had also won the first prize in 800 meters last year, competing in Division D. He also got the first prize in inter-house calligraphy competition. A good academician aspires to be an engineer.
He has been joined by the junior cross-country race winner, Master Yavit Paga, a meritorious student securing 4th position in the cross-country last year. He also became the district magistrate of the college. Here we have Cyrus Ali Joseph making his way to the flag stand. Give him a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, Cyrus Ali Joseph, a proud moment for him as he ignites the meat for to please give the college captain and the house captain their flags. That's Dr. Sassodia, the fastest swimmer at the national level and the college captain of St. Peter's College, coming to receive the flag from the principal. Receive the flag from the principal. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. A proud moment for this young lad. He is an ace swimmer and the college captain.
Now we have Yash Dasgule, sports captain of St. Francis House. Yash Dasgule received the Blue House flag of St. Francis House. Praful Garg, the St. Paul's House captain, receiving the flag for the St. Paul's House.
That's Yuvraj Singh and Amar Singh. Yuvraj Singh, the captain of St. Lawrence House, and Amar Singh, the sports captain of St. Peter's House. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Arthur Sassodia, the fastest national level swimmer for 4 consecutive years. He broke the school record of swimming in 2014.
Atisha Jain, the college cultural captain, is an excellent orator, debater, actor and a budding scientist. He came first in the national level Honda Drive to Safety event in the Dori Lal Agarwal Memorial English and the Hindi debate. Came second in APSA essay writing competition at the district level. First in Hindi debate in HSA and second in English play in Italia 2015. He also secured 94.6% examination.
Harrison Beggar is the leader of the opposition, an excellent writer, keen interest in poetry. He has had 7 dramas for school function. He also secured first position at the national level science competition and is an active member of the science club. St. Francis House!
St. Francis
captains of the Nixon Orator and Women Academics. Rosamund Singh is a state level footballer. Shashank Garland is a state level boxer and excellent photographer. Nikhil Katyal is a national academics. Ayush Raman is a state level badminton player. Sean Jain is a academic and budding scientist. Ayush Raman is an excellent singer and a deputy minister of cultural affairs.
Captain, Rafael Bell, a great all-rounder. State level basketballer in Brazil won the first prize in ASIC district level quiz. He won the best dancer in the college, secured 94% in ICSE. Tarun Kumar is a cultural captain, a good cricketer, badminton player, debater and dramatist. Awarded the best speaker award in the Sri Doli Lala Bhagan Memorial Hindi Debate. Also secured 92%. Ovik Sharma, sports vice captain, book sprinter and state level athlete, stood first in the long jump. Abhishek Jain, cultural vice captain, very good singer and poet, won the second prize in the singing competition and the first prize in Kavi Sammelan, Eternia 2015.
St. Peter's Hospital, Ayush Singh was sports captain and national athlete and a state level footballer. Ayush Singh artist. Rohit Singh, a national level cricketer and a state level shooter. Pranav Sangha Bhagwat, a great debater and orator. Pranav Asha, a great orator, got 95.5% in the ICSE. Sharon Sharma, a state level puzzler. Manoj Jain, an excellent dancer and orator. Ahmed Agarwal, an excellent athlete and swimmer. Manoj Agarwal is good academics and sport level. He won the sprinting competition. Akash Yadav, a good player and has won many prizes in the Kavi Sammelan. Rohit Kalan is a state level dancer and a cricketer. Yoshan Agarwal is a good dancer. Yoshan Gastri is a state level badminton player. Dhruv Sharma is a good painter. Vansa Singh and Sharma also there.
Aniket Patni, the deputy PM, is a melodious singer and excellent non-English player. ASIC football player. Akshay Pahuja, excellent academician and writer. Mayank Bajaj, an extraordinary volleyball player. Yogaraj Gupta, district level shooter, national level shot player. Sanjay Singhal, very good hockey player.
I request the principal, Reverend Father Paul Thanikal, to please administer the oath.
Please repeat after me. We swear that we will take part in St. Peter's College 169th Annual Athletic Meet in loyal competition, respecting all regulations which govern us in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the honor of our institution, for the service of our country, and for the glory of God. So help us God.
And the college captain goes to hoist the flag on the flagstone.
St. Mary's House contingent, we also have Vishesh Tiwari, won the athletic championship of Division C and D. Ayan Anwar, a state level football player. Siddharth and science quiz. Siddharth Garg, a melodious singer. Shivan Bansal, a very artistic and creative person, won the first prize in the collage competition. Rashid Agarwal secured 92% in ICSE board exams. Sayyad Mohan, a state level footballer. Cyrus Eddie Chopra, an excellent footballer, won the cross country this year. Ishan Singh represented UP and Region National Athletic Meet in Valsad, Gujarat. Abhinav Gupta, member
Sandhya with the college flag. Okay, here's the flag. And the flag set of 1846, declaring the 169th annual athletic meet open.
Proudly walk up the steps. A very proud moment for both the students, captains of the houses, the Green House and the Red House, St. Lawrence House and St. Paul's House.
Yash Lasser, carrying the St. Francis House flag. The blue flag. He's a wonderful preacher and a great singer. And Ayush Singh, carrying the yellow flag, St. Peter's House flag. A great footballer, one of the good artists of the college. As these two boys make the way up to the flag stand, Ayush Singh with the yellow flag and Yash Lazarus with the blue flag. So now there's going to be 169 balloons. Saffron, white and green as they go into the...
Also releasing the pigeons. White pigeons, symbols of peace and unity, so much required in our world today. See the tricolor of the balloons going up in the sky as if to celebrate India. May I request Unaisra to present a bouquet to Dharampal Singh. Under 10 meters hurdles, Division A. Winners are first Ayush Singh and third Abhimanyu. Thank you, Monsignor. Thank you, Brigadier.
Solvi of St. Lawrence House. We have Solvi Chauhan taking the early lead and holding on to it. Ladies and gentlemen, St. Peter's is divided into 4 houses and we have a comfort competition, a heavy one. Without Chaudhary behind him, but Solvi Chauhan still holding on to the early lead. Having a gap of 20 meters, building a bigger gap, followed by Chaudhary. Chaudhary still holding on, followed by Vikas Chaudhary. That's Siddharth Mishra, and he hits the tape. This house and Akash Kapoor of St. Francis House. Prakash Singh taking the early lead. Prakash Singh of St. Lawrence House. St. Lawrence House boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we have this 400 meters race. All big stars. Cyrus already taking quick steps, trying to create a lead right in the beginning. He's a cross-country winner. Araja Sinha also a good runner. Damodar Bansal with him. Sayyid Diman will give him a good lead. But Cyrus already taken another. He's running a track through the cross-country winner. Cyrus Ravi Joseph taking the lead, maintaining it, but behind him we have Araja Sinha, Damodar, but Cyrus still holding on to the lead. But he has tough competition coming from behind him. 1, 2, 3, 4 boys from St. Paul's House. Cyrus still holding on to the lead. Behind him is Damodar. But Cyrus carry on, the day in the back coming to the home front. Cyrus Joseph, the winner of the cross country. Will he be able to make it? The swing at the back is almost getting in. Cyrus hits the tail. For the takeoff, the 400 meters division A. Arpit is there right in front. There's job behind him.
First place Sonvi Chauhan, second Vedant Chaudhary, and third Naman Jain. Lawrence, Francis, and Waltz. Winners of Division C. In the first place, Rajat Bansal of St. Lawrence House, second Prakhar Singh of St. Paul's House, and third Nadir Hussain of St. Francis House. With Mr. Rais Hatim, City President of Samajwadi Party, to give away the prizes. Of St. Paul's House also, and Aradhya Sinha in the third place from St. Lawrence House. Agam Jain of St. Francis House, and third Ashish Jasrotia of St. Lawrence House.
Coming for you, ladies and gentlemen, are the tiny tots of class 3.
Entertainment and excitement are students of class 3 and 4. So sit back and enjoy.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
holding on to it. Behind it is Pratham Singh. RF1 also holding it between Akash Kapoor and Alas Khan. Wonderful hit the tape. One of the most tougher races. But manages to complete the race.
Francis House is second and Pankaj Chhabra, St. Francis House is third. Anas Khan of St. Lawrence House and third Aryan Chandel of St. Peter's House. Away the prizes to the winners of Division B. Second, Aradhya Sinha of St. Lawrence House and third, Kaustubh Sharma of St. Peter's House.
Hardik Agarwal, also St. Peter's House. All the three St. Peter's House. St. Francis House wheelbarrow race. JB Jain, Aman Saxena, Ahmed Khan, Mark Tiwari, Namas Malhotra and Kush Soya.
St. Peter's House, Mohammad Sheikh, Ansh Nagar, Tanish Goyal and Vishal Parashar.
But Ayush is coming from back. It's between Odin, Ayush and who hit the
of St. Paul's House.
House and third Mayank Pandey of St. Peter's House.
I request Mr. Rohit Nair to give away the prizes to the winners of Division B 100 meters race.
St. Francis House
Bachchan.